I'll put a clip in right now of Andy Wilman in my bed. We've just got our RV back and paid a huge bill. Wait till the end of the video and I'll tell you exactly how much. Where's the bloody key? There they are. Let's see if it starts up. Yeah, you do want to wait till the end because it's an eye-watering amount of money. Oh, it runs, it runs. We're at LAS Motorhomes where we dropped it off. Don't know how much you can see, but we're surrounded by American RVs and they all look pretty cool, but ours is the best, isn't it? We got 3 mugs, motorhome, for all your, I'm not going to read all that, and a pen, and she got a mug too, but hers is off camera because she's off camera today. Bruno's in the back, Dad just dropped us off in the Range Rover, and I paid the bill and we're going to head home now. But it's the middle of the day, lots of traffic, and I haven't driven this for a while, and it's very big on left-hand drive. So this is going to be fun. I have a spinny chair. Right, we have a rev gauge now. We actually have a working rev gauge. They fixed the rev gauge.
What's fuel saying, which we can't trust?
The fuel gauge isn't fixed.
Okay.
Fuel gauge says full.
Are we going to fill up or are we risking it?
Kind of feel like we should keep going and then put a stick in it later and see how much is on the stick.
If we make it home.
That can be our fuel gauge. We have a sequential thing, like, not sequential, is that what I mean? We can manually select the gears.
I told you.
So, I found a video of Andy Wilman. Yes, Andy Wilman, the guy who ran Top Gear, created it all. Well, he presented on Top Gear in the 90s. And I found a video of him doing a review of this RV, this exact RV. And I know that because everything is exactly the same, except these buttons. I was looking at them on the video thinking, we don't have them. But we do have them, so it was this RV. I will link them now. I'll put a clip in right now of Andy Wilman in my bed.
You've got your own bedroom just down the corridor. And don't worry about the screams from the bug-infested tent dwellers outside keeping you awake at night. Naturally, the windows are double glazed.
Watch this on the stereo.
Wow.
It's
That's
proper
like
retro.
Press the boost button kind of
Proper
situation.
retro. The seat definitely feels like it's leaning over more. That's not how you put it in gear. Start here.
Are you okay? Seatbelt on.
Steps in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I've driven this in ages, it's terrifying. God, it's tight this. I'm on a bollard there and on road signs there. We drive on the left in this country, don't we?
Yes.
I've just come back from Germany and I'm genuinely thinking I need to be on that side because I'm on this side of the vehicle. We're back on the road, I got my RV back, I'm so happy. How long have we not had it? It's been 4 weeks, I think. Literally been a month since we got the RV. We bought it, we had it for a week, we sent it away and we lost it for a month. I see, this is already horrible.
Oh.
He's on the wrong side of the road. It's so much easier on that side. If I was in a truck on the right side, this would be a doddle, but it's actual effort you've got to put into driving when you're doing this.
Yeah, that's nice.
One big thing I'm really annoyed about, I have no cruise control. They couldn't fix it because it's so old in America and they just didn't know how to do it. So I'm going to spend the next 25 years doing some research, trying to figure it out myself. And it's not, we're not in a HGV, there's no limiter, so I can't just get a piece of wood and wedge it on the accelerator in this because we would just go at like 80 miles an hour and max out. And that, we can't do that really, it's not practical. So, someone come up with an idea and comment below, how can we make cruise control? Can we fit into there? I want a coffee. 2.9 metre?
I don't
we won't
think
make that,
so.
will we? We made it into a service station and this is what the generator sounds like, which they fixed. So that's running now. Do you know what that beep is? It's the gas detector as the plug socket's coming on. The gas detector's turning on. That's what the beep is, we've got a gas detector. See, I don't know how well you can hear that. Probably a bit. It's right underneath us, and it does a lot
It's
of
like
this.
a massage chair.
Yeah,
You lean back in your chair.
It's not bad though, and it runs everything. We tried it when we were driving. You can't feel or hear it whilst you're driving. I bet the noise just changed a lot, didn't it? Right, we're gonna head back now anyway. Let's hit the road again. There's a womble. People don't like it when I call them wombles. It's like they've forgotten that Clarkson called them wombles for years.
They're basically wombles. Yes.
I put an Instagram reel on, and it wasn't even against them. It was the fact that the cars are now, they look like police cars to disguise the fact there's no police on the roads. They've made the wombles look like police, and everyone thinks they're police. And I did a reel and said this, and all the comments were like, what have they done wrong? I wasn't even saying anything.
Just getting attacked, babe.
Yeah. Right, well, I keep going to put it in gear here because of the F-150. That guy, you can see him in the van now, we've reversed. He was just sunbathing when we pulled in.
They're gonna have to pull.
Nah, we'll fit through that. There's the trees we got told to avoid. Apparently trees can rip through the rubber roof, which is a minimum of £15,000 to replace. And I am just driving through trees. Doesn't make it. Stop laughing.
I wish you hadn't told us that, because we would have just lived in ignorant bliss.
Oh, well, round that way, round that way. There's a van there that I don't want to hit. The tail swing was so close on that van. The front was so close to that truck. You really got to squeeze these things around. I'm absolutely starving, so my beautiful partner over there got me a cheese string. This is filmed up.
I offered you many other choices, and you said no to all of them, and I got that regardless. So you're lucky.
I do love a cheese string. Oh yes, so from driving, the wind noise that we did have has gone away quite a lot, but it is still there a little bit. We're nowhere near as bad. I could relax for 12 hours driving this, I think. Oh, we got a beep. It's always beeped.
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's a new beep.
Must have fixed it. This is so scary.
We'll wait the post if keep going back like that. I think it'll be too close on the slide, but we could try it. You do the button and I'll watch. That. Yeah, we're tying it there. Tie it a bit more. Tie it a bit more. Tie it a bit more. Stop there. How far? No, we can't fit. Bring it in. It's fun, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move over. Perfect. Got about that much space.
Sick.
Makes a big difference in here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's huge now.
Dance.
We're in Mum's Audi on the way back to Mum's to get back to our rag and drive back home. It's very complicated, all this home and Mum's and house. Lamborghini, ain't it? Right, we've jumped ahead a few weeks because I've been waiting for this email with all the price list on of everything they've done. And, like I said at the start of the video, it's an eye-watering amount of money. So they've done loads of stuff, which I'm not going to go through because it's loads of stuff. But they fixed everything and then charged us loads of money. So in total, it was £4,416 and 68 pence to get everything fixed. So in reality, we paid £31,000 for an RV that fully works. So it's not bad at all, to be fair. But the main cost was the actual service was £950 before they even do anything. And then we had to get a new thing on the fridge that controls the fridge. That was £380. What else are the big charges? £165 on engine oil. And then all the others are kind of, the next biggest one's £89 rear hub seal, that's on the back brakes. But other than that, it's all just little bits. And it adds up loads. So the total parts, £1,880. And then the labour, 1,800 plus your VAT. So it just adds up so much. But it's worth it, isn't it, darling?
Yes, very much so.
She's on her laptop over there. So we've got a fully working RV for £31,000, pretty much. And if you go on eBay and look for anything similar to this, there's nothing for anywhere near that price. So we've done pretty well, haven't we?
Yeah.
I'm happy. Very happy with our RV. And I'm very tired. Because we went to Shedfest yesterday. Video coming soon. So I'll end it there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Lots more RV stuff coming soon. And I've set up a new channel for just RV stuff. The more boring stuff that RV people might find interesting. And it's called Living in an RV. Is it?
Life in an RV.
Life in an RV. So go and find that. I'll put a link in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, all that. See you in the next one. Bye bye.